What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, General Mkhwanazi was testifying at the Madlanga Commission, and there he mentioned the name of Nathi Mthethwa, the former police minister, and really explained, that what Nathi Mthethwa did, it was the worst form of political interference that he has ever seen in his career. I mean, at the moment, we thought that what Senzo Mchunu did was the worst. But General Mkhwanazi explained, and said what Nathi Mthethwa did was actually the worst of the worst, and he has never seen anything like that. So this was General Mkhwanazi speaking at the Madlanga Commission. Let's listen to General Mkhwanazi.
You must be charged. She wants to withdraw that letter. So when I asked her, but why you want to withdraw the letter of a criminal case? You've read the case and you wrote to me and you say, Mdluli must go and face the music. Why do you want to withdraw it? And she said, no. It's my career now in line. So I need to withdraw that. I made a wrong decision. I should not have said Mdluli must be charged. Which means she charged the wrong people in the higher echelon of maybe within the police structures or in government that did not want Mdluli to be charged. And I refused to come back and withdraw the letter. And then I received a phone call from the Minister of Police, Nathi Mthethwa, commissioners. I went to his residence in Waterkloof. And when I arrived there, the Inspector General is sitting on one side of the table, Mr. Mthethwa is sitting on the other side of the table. The minister says to me that I forced the Inspector General of Intelligence to write the letter that says, Mukhwebi is wrong, this matter must go to court. She said, I forced her. Then I told her, I said, no, Minister, Advocate Khateb is an old woman. She's an advocate. How can I point a gun at her and force her to write a letter? Besides, when this letter was written in her office, and she actually is not the author of the letter. The author of the letter is Advocate Jay Govender, who is an experienced prosecutor person who's working in that office. She's the one that drafted the letter. Not you, not the Inspector General of Intelligence. The minister didn't want to hear any of that. A simple say, must stop prosecuting Mdluli, or must stop disciplinary case against Mdluli. Now, if we talk about political interference, that was the worst I've ever experienced. At that time, Commissioner, I come from the specialized operation. The only thing I know is to chase criminals. And I'm promoted to become the acting National Commissioner, and I'm confronted with this in front of me. And I said, but this is not what I signed for when I joined the police. This can't be right. The minister can't give me these instructions. Then I said to the minister, maybe you brought me into this position and you thought you're going to use me as a pawn because perhaps of my age or whatever, but you are wrong. I'm not going to do that.
So that's General Mkhwanazi there explaining, what Nathi Mthethwa did. But listening to General Mkhwanazi there, I think you can pick up something from what he said, General Mkhwanazi there. It turns out, that Nathi Mthethwa seemed to have been getting orders from somewhere, because General Mkhwanazi began by saying, Minister wrote a letter to me to say that Richard Mdluli must be charged, right? That's Nathi Mthethwa writing the letter there. But then later on, Nathi Mthethwa then summons General Mkhwanazi to his home, and he tells him, to withdraw all those charges. And General Mkhwanazi, they explained, and said, it's not my career on the line. That was Nathi Mthethwa saying that, to say, it's not my career on the line. Now you have to withdraw that. Then General Mkhwanazi refused to withdraw. So you can see that Nathi Mthethwa's hands seemed to have been clean, but he seemed to have been getting orders from somewhere, to say, you're not touching the wrong person in Richard Mdluli here. You shouldn't have written that letter, withdraw it. So this is what was transpiring, the worst political interference occurring there. And General Mkhwanazi, the good thing, is that he stood his ground and refused to not charge Richard Mdluli. So now, to those who do not know about Richard Mdluli, he is a South African former police officer who once served as the head of the SAPS Crime Intelligence Division. So this is not like some criminal or something. He was a police officer in the SAPS and in charge of the Criminal Intelligence Division. So there was this warrant of arrest which was then issued in relation to a murder which occurred in 1999, charges in relation to kidnapping, assault, intimidation, conspiracy, etc. So this guy was then sentenced to prison, a 5-year prison. He was then released in 2022, having served 1/3 of that sentence. So he spent like roughly 2 years, in prison. So this guy, Richard Mhluli, is out there. He just spent 2 years in prison. And he seemed to have been very well connected, to all the other top guys out there. So the issue of the withdrawal of the letter which came from Nathi Mthethwa, it occurred when Mkhwanazi was the acting National Police Commissioner. So this is where the pattern of interference in crime intelligence and related investigations is coming in. So connecting the dots, with what Mzansi Khumalo said, when he was talking about the Big Five, you can actually see that most of these guys that are being talked about, they're just like the small fish in the pond, and the real big guys, they have not yet been touched here. So because of Nathi Mthethwa being mentioned, at the Madlanga Commission, that's why there are so many conspiracies, with people not believing the story being told about what happened to Nathi Mthethwa there in France. Because another question where people were like, how come we didn't know, that this guy had left South Africa? He shouldn't have been allowed to leave the country at all. But anyway, may Nathi Mthethwa rest in peace, But the investigations, obviously, they have to continue because it's already been revealed while he was alive. It's not like the allegations were revealed when he was no more. Because if it was revealed after, people, it would have been like you're tarnishing the name of someone who cannot defend himself. But it was revealed when he was there, and the surprising part is that at the time, Nathi Mthethwa did not even respond back to those allegations from General Mkhwanazi. He didn't even respond to that. But unfortunately, now we can no longer get a testimony from Nathi Mthethwa at the Madlanga Commission, because I saw another document, where he was listed as one of the people who have to testify at the commission. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.